When you open Coreldraw, whatever version you're using, go ahead to create a new document. You can choose to give the document a name now, or you can do it later on using Ctrl S, or you can go to File and click on Save As. So this is the Coreldraw interface, and here is your title bar, and here your menu bar, here your toolbar, property bar, and you have your toolbox over here. This picture gives the details of your Coreldraw interface. The title bar is the area that displays the title of the drawing. The menu bar contains pull-down menu options like File, Edit, Layout, and Likes. And under it, you can have different options for them. Like under Layout, you have Insert Page or Delete Page. Under Text, you have options for however you want to edit that text. Moving on to property bar, it has commands that relate to a selected tool or object, which we're going to explore later on in this video. And then we have the toolbox, which is a collection of tools. Tools you need for your designs like pick, crop, text, shape, and more. We have the rectangle tool, the ellipse tool, the artistic media tool used to draw preset objects with color effects. So you basically click on these tools, then move the pointer to the workspace and click and drag to the desired size. And up here in the property bar, like we said last time, you can select your desired sprayer list. The pick tool over here is for picking objects. Click on the pick tool and click on the object to do whatever you want. You can delete it by pressing delete on your keyboard. And to select group of items, click and drag in such a way the highlight will cover areas to be selected. And we also have the text tool for typing text. Click on the text tool and click on the workspace to start typing. Remember to always go back to the pick tool to select an object. And to resize, move the pointer to any of the nodes, then click and drag to your desired size. And up here in the property bar, you can change the font. There are also other options like to make the text bold or underlined. The bold option is not available for this particular font, and I can undo any action by pressing Ctrl Z. And we can change the colors here by clicking on our desired color. You can draw a box over this and send it backward, but since we're working with the size of the workspace, double click on rectangle tool and it creates a box just the size of the page. Go click on pick tool again and you can skew an item. Click twice on the item so the arrows appear around it. Then click and drag any of the arrows. You can add an outline by clicking on it and right clicking on any color. So Coreldraw is quite easy, I would say beginner friendly for designers, and as time goes on you can get to know more about it. You can check out my other videos on Coreldraw if you need any help. I'll have them linked in the description. White color of text and right click on black to give it a black outline. So let's give it a black color and a white outline. To work on the outline, double click on this outline box. It opens the outline pen dialog box. You increase the thickness here. Click on these options. Behind fill, scale with object, and now the text looks a lot better. And let's see what we can do using the ellipse tool. To remove the outline around it, right click on this no color. Let's make use of the transparency tool right here. Click on it and drag. And I see it's starting to look like a moon, so let's make it that way. You can make a uniform transparency up here. There are options in the property bar. And you can adjust it too. And from the menu bar, let's see what we can do to this object. We can choose to make it blur. The shape tool here is for transforming an item. Let's import an image using import here. And to transform this item, click on the shape tool, then click on the node on the item and drag it to the desired shape. Right click and make it to curve. Double click to create a new node and edit it. To place an object inside a container, you right click, power click inside, and click on the box, or you can use the shortcut. Right click and drag towards the box, release it, and then select power click inside. You can double click on the box to edit its content. And click on finish when you're done. Or you can right click on the box and select edit power clip. We can increase or decrease the brightness up here under effects. We can use this brightness option. Or you can use tone curve option. Under effects, select adjust and then tone curve. You can see it increased the brightness a little, although I had reduced the brightness. Let's assume you have an object like this. You can duplicate using Ctrl D. Or you can use Ctrl C and Ctrl V. And if you want them to align, hold down the Ctrl key while moving it. You can add shadow using the shadow tool. Click on it and drag it. Let's try out some of these tools. The color eyedropper here is used for dropping colors. Let's click on this color and drop it here. No, not the outline, but the actual text. The freehand tool is used to draw straight line and also to draw in freehand, and a 2-point line also for straight lines. And you can always transform this using the shape tool. You can check out my video on how to use the shape tool, which is very much detailed. Make sure the line ends where it started from so you can give it a color. You can make this line thicker up here in the property bar. So these are the basics you need for designing with Coreldraw, and as you can see, it's quite user friendly. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever a new video comes out.